welcome back to the Golden Blush. My name is Disha, and here we are, a group of girls who love to discuss makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, everything and anything in the world that is termed as a girly stuff. We love to talk about it here. So, as you must have seen in the thumbnail and in the title, that today we are going to create this look, which is my kind of semi-glam look, which we are going to create using only Maybelline products this time. Okay, so I've got a bunch of Maybelline products. Oops. Okay, so I've got a bunch of Maybelline products with me, and I've been using Maybelline as a brand from a very long time, and I've not bought any of these products specifically for this video, but all the products that I have been using already, I'm using this to create this look. And overall, as a brand, I feel that Maybelline is a wonderful brand when it comes to shade ranges and price ranges both. Like, it is an international brand, as we all know, but in terms of price range, it has always kept itself, like, a very medium range in India also. So very I would not say affordable, but on the medium range, because most of the products are under 1000 rupees only. Today we're gonna create this semi-glam kind of look for Maybelline, from Maybelline products, and it is gonna be specifically for summers, because we are using products all that are like meant for oil control and being sweat proof and oil proof. So we are gonna be creating this look keeping in mind the summers that we are facing right now. And also, whatever are the prices, I'll check from Nykaa, because I've not purchased these products just now, so that I remember what are the prices, and there might be a change in prices. So whatever is the current price, the MRPs, I'll be putting somewhere here so that you can check those out. And yeah, without further delay, let's quickly get started. So with the power of editing, we'll just go with my bare face now. So stay tuned. So with the power of editing, here we are with my bare face. Now we'll start with the makeup using Maybelline products, of course, as we discussed. So starting with the primers, I've got with me Maybelline Fit Me Primer. This is matte plus poreless primer for normal to oily skin, and it has got SPF 20 as well. So the reason I have this tiny tube is because I received it as a sample in some Nykaa order. So I just thought to use this only, because so this is the consistency, as you can see. Alright, so I have not bought any kind of products. Like you can see, this is the thing. It's not silicone, it's a cream based primer, so I just apply it all over my. Okay, so what I was telling you is that I have not bought any products for this video sake. All the products that I had, I'm using only those products from Maybelline, and I don't have, I guess, any brow product and any sort of blush or highlighter. So yeah, we can do without it also. Like, for brow product, I'll be using some other brand of brow product. So yeah, we're done with the primer, and I can see, like, it is not very sticky, oily or something. It has just gotten absorbed. Let's give it a few seconds to get absorbed properly. And I'm hoping it to be non-oily, because it is meant for normal to oily skin. And for the concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. So you can see its conditions. It is something like, I like it as a product, but I do not like its packaging. So if ever I have to make a video with like my favorite products with bad packaging, it is gonna be this. Because I just hate its applicator. It's just, you need to keep squirting, and now it comes on the surface like this, and I'll just use some other mirror and try to apply this. See, you can see how it is getting applied. I'll just apply on the high point. Some marks which I'm getting right now, I think due to my periods and due to the hot weather. So I just don't like the applicator. I love this product overall, but not the applicator. So I'll just start blending concealer with this. See the eyes. Okay, I guess the shade which I have, which I had bought for my winter skin tone, now this is not suiting me in my summer skin tone. So let's hope that this tint works for it. So for the foundation, I'll be using Fit Me's Maybelline New York Fit Me Fresh Tint with SPF 50 and vitamin C. So it is very convenient while traveling because I just loved its consistency. I just traveled recently with this. I loved its consistency, and also, like, how how convenient is this packaging. Like, it's very sleek, nice bottle, not very bulky, a plastic bottle, so you are not very worried, like, if it is break or it is heavy. It's very light and also very sleek of a product. And also the formulation, if you talk about, it's very lightweight on the skin. It's not like very heavy thick product that you will be feeling uncomfortable with. And the place that I traveled with this was Aurangabad, which was having temperatures going up to 42 43 degrees. I don't know about today's situation, but on the day when I was traveling it was 42 degrees. And at that time even a heat wave was declared and people were advised not to leave their homes. So even we stayed in the hotel only. We did not move out on that day. And just blend this. No, I just like using beauty blenders. I don't know why. To each their own. Everyone has their own preferences. Some people like brushes, but I like my beauty blenders. Right, so now I'm not someone who is too much into contouring and all stuff, but since I'm making this video, why not to just make some contours thing. So I have with me this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. It is a very dark shade of concealer which is there, and I bought it once when I was on my summer shade. I was very much tanned after a holiday, and since then I'm using this as a contour because after a few days I just got washed and this was not suiting me as a concealer. So I just use it in general as a contour. So very mildly I'll just put it. Okay, I love to do all these things before applying the compact so that if any mistake happens, the compact is there like to save you from all this. The contour is a very personal choice kind of a thing. I don't contour on a daily basis or on a regular basis. It's just some special occasion if there, then I do something of this sort, but not too much. So I have. Alright, so now that dark concealer or a contour concealer is all in, now we're gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is one of my favorite powders. You can just see how much I've used it. So I'll just take a powder brush and apply it all over. And I'm applying the powder all over because it is summers, and summers you want to have some sort of oil control, like extra oil control, not just the regular one, especially under the eyes, and like load my face with this. This compact is very, very nice. If you're looking for a budget compact, this is the one to go for. Like, very affordable. I guess it's under 200 rupees that you get it at. And the shade range is also amazing. Thing like Maybelline has a lot of variety in all the products, but this one is the most affordable one and very nice for everyday usages. So we are done with the compact, and now I'm just gonna fix my makeup once and then we'll move ahead with the rest of the makeup. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Instant Matte Setting Spray 24-hour oil control. So this is a good makeup fixer which actually helps in oil control. So what I do is that once I'm done with the base, that I just spray this one, let it dry so that the base does not get moved after, like, a few minutes or a few hours. So we'll just take like a good shower in this. Alright, so the makeup fixer has dried up. Now I'm gonna just go behind the screen and use my K-Beauty brow pencil, which is one of my favorites right now, and fill in my brows. Actually, Maybelline does have some brow products, but I don't have it with me right now. So if I get once, like, I'll definitely share it with you. But since we have this today, we'll just use this up. Alright, so I filled my brows using the K-Beauty eyebrow pencil. Well, by the way, I used the shade Walnut. And now we'll go with the eye makeup. And for the eye makeup, I'm going to use this, the City Mini palette from Maybelline New York. And this is one of my most favorite palettes. First of all, look at the compact size. Okay, it is very easy to travel with. Plus, it has got really good pigments, and it is very good for anyone who is beginning to do, eye makeup. Because this was one of my first palettes that I have bought and have used. And it's just amazing. And why I love this, because for a beginner, when you do not know how to play with colors or do not understand how to go about it for creating some nude looks, this is very, very good. And you cannot go wrong with this, honestly. It is very easy to use because it has got some nice brown and nude colors, some shimmers also. Let me just open and show it to you. Okay, so you also get this brush which I've used just once or twice in case of emergency, but you just see that it got some nice mattes also for this, for transitions. Then it has got some shimmers and glitters. So you can, try using this if you're a very, if you are at a very beginning of your eye makeup journey. So we'll just create some look using this. Okay, so for my upper lid, I'm going to use this light shade because this is one of my favorite. Okay, whenever I'm doing eye makeup, I just like to use a very light shade as a base because my eyelids are actually darker than my entire face. So I just like to, put some light color all over the eyelid so that it comes closer to my rest of the face. And then whatever is the color that we are using, that can actually show. I'm gonna take another brush and use this color on the corners, like outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so I've come like halfway, almost like very close to halfway. Now I'm gonna take this color from here. This is a golden shimmery color, and which I'm gonna place on the inner corners now. Probably I'll just use my fingers for this. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and now I'm just gonna take this shade again and now blend this with the upper lid so that it just does not look very, you know, lined up. Cool. I'm happy with this. The next step is eyeliner. I just love to use eyeliners. A good black eyeliner is all that I need. And for eyeliners, Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Okay, so this is the eyeliner and I'll just apply this. So I'll just let this dry. You can see the finish, the pigment. You can see, no, how amazing it is. Now we'll just go for the mascara, for which I'm using Maybelline Colossal again, waterproof mascara, and this is in the variant. Okay, there's no variant. I remember it was some super curl or something, but this is just a black mascara as it says. Just apply it all over my lashes. Okay, so mascara, I just don't feel like using the kajal now because I'm quite happy with the eyes right now. But I'll show you the swatch. Like, this is Maybelline thing. I already have the kajal with me, Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and claims that it stays for up to, I guess, some 14 hours, 15 hours, I don't know. But I'll show you a swatch of this and you can see it's quite pigmented, quite nice and very creamy to apply. So for everyday purpose, like if you're going to work, if you're going to college, if you need a good kajal, you can certainly try this. And it's very, very affordable, very nice. As per the price, it is very convenient. Alright, so for the lipstick part, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. This is in the shade, what shade are you? Okay, 20 Pioneer Lip Color. So this actually stays. It claims to stay for around 16 hours, and I can tell you it stays. Because actually once what happened was, while I was traveling, I forgot to pack my sindoor. So I had this in my bag and I applied this. Now that was the day I washed my head, and after 2 days when I washed my head again, until then this was still there. It did not move with the sweat or all together, like, even if I'm wiping it off or anything, it did not move. So you can certainly trust this. If you want a good long wear lipstick, you can try this, and this comes in a lot of shades. In fact, all Maybelline products have a good range in the tints, their foundations, their compacts, their lipsticks. Everything comes in a huge range of shades. Even the eyeshadow palette that I showed you, that comes in a variety of palettes, so that you can choose according to your taste and liking. So this is the wand, very standard wand and very standard packaging. Nothing fancy, but it's a good lipstick. Okay, so that was all about it. That was my look, which I created using only Maybelline products and all the Maybelline products that I had with me already. I did not buy any new products for this video. So let me know in the comment section if you like the video. If you watched the video till now, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And comment down below how did you like the video, and share it with your friend and family also. And that was all from my side today. Until we meet the next time, it's a goodbye from the Golden Blush. Love you all so much.